Good morning, y'all. Sorry I'm getting a little bit late to explaining the assignments this week, but I just wanted to say welcome back. Um, it's Thursday here on campus. We got a lot going on already. For you who are virtual or are out, I know I have some students out. Uh, the assignments are you just have 2 daily assignments this week, and I'm kind of introducing your next project through this video. I'll probably post another thing about it, but the first thing is here, let me just go ahead and minimize this real quick, is you have this hummingbird origami, which if you go up here and this under Tuesday or Wednesday, you can do hummingbird origami video and just watch that video. You're going to need to cut out a piece of paper that's about 6 inches by 6 inches is what I would like. It's what we've been doing here in class. Go ahead and do that and just submit, just like you always do. Take a picture of it and submit it. Go ahead and submit it here on Friday. And then I'd like you to read this article, What is the History of Tattooing? It's really a pretty good article about a brief history of kind of where they came from, realize how old they are. After you read that article, there's a worksheet down here. You go down here on Friday. This is for grade 2. You can click on this, and you can go in and answer just 6 questions. It's pretty simple. It's not real in-depth, not real in-deep, but I still want you to do it just so I know that you've read the article and kind of get the gist of how old tattoos are. Then you can submit that. You can either print this form out, write it down, take a picture of it, submit it that way. You can even just download this form, answer the questions, and re-upload it, or you can use it in the text box and just number them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with your answers and just put them in the text box so you don't even have to download or print or anything like that. Those are the 2 main things for this week. You will have a project due next Friday, which the students begin to work on that in class this week. And what that is let me go back here and scroll down to this week, which is where this whole tattoo flash ideas comes in. What I'm going to want you guys to do is to make a flash sheet. This is considered a flash sheet here. This is considered a flash sheet. This is a flash sheet. This is a flash sheet. What I'm asking you to do is to create your own original flash sheet. It can just be on an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, whatever you have at home. I'd prefer it to be it could be computer paper with no lines on it. That would be nice. But this thing, if you look at the sheet, it's balanced. It's got color. It's got all the different things we've been talking about in class as far as design elements and design principles going on. You can use someone else's sheet. You can use any of these from this website if you want to just use these ones, or you can Google flash sheets. If you've probably imagined about a flash sheet or something you like, there's a flash sheet out there for. I'd like you to read this article too. It kind of explains what a flash sheet is, where they come from, and it's kind of an interesting, fascinating thing that's going on. So that won't be due until next Friday. So I'm going to probably go ahead and post that assignment. Indicating this for next Friday. I'm going to try and get something out to y'all tomorrow, like a handout of kind of what I was thinking it would be. Like I said, I'm sorry this week has been a little crazy for me, getting back to the grind of everything and all the other responsibilities I have here at Ball. But anyway, I'm looking forward to this semester. Just make sure you get those 2 assignments knocked out, and I'll be in touch with you guys soon. Looking forward to seeing y'all's work. Especially these flash sheets when we get to those next week. But anyway, y'all have a wonderful rest of your week. We're at Thursday, guys, so you have really just Friday, and then we get the weekend. But looking forward to hearing from you guys, and I will talk to you all soon. Adios.